In the Maldives, new islands are created using advanced land reclamation techniques. This process involves transforming shallow lagoons or submerged sandbanks into habitable land. Here's how it's typically done. 1. Dredging. Sand is dredged from the seabed using specialized ships known as dredgers. In addition, this reclamation is also being carried out using excavators. What you see in this video is one such instance. The dredged sand is pumped onto the designated area where the new island is to be built. 2. Land formation. The sand is shaped and compacted to form the desired island shape. Engineers carefully design the shape to reduce erosion from waves and currents. 3. Reinforcement. Sea walls, rock barriers, or geo-textile tubes may be installed around the edges to protect the island from erosion and rising sea levels. Breakwaters and other structures are often added to minimize wave impact. 4. Infrastructure development. Once the land is stable, infrastructure is built, including housing, resorts, or public facilities. Vegetation, such as coconut palms and other native plants, is often planted to stabilize the soil and create a natural appearance. 5. Sustainability measures. Increasingly, projects incorporate sustainable techniques, such as ensuring minimal disruption to marine ecosystems. Some projects aim to restore coral reefs around the new islands to improve biodiversity. Examples: Hula Mail, a reclaimed island developed to ease congestion on the capital island. Mail. Resort islands. Many resorts in the Maldives are built on artificial islands, specifically created for tourism. These projects are expensive and require careful planning to minimize environmental impacts, especially given the Maldives' delicate ecosystem and vulnerability to climate change.